for sure my parents will not allow us to ever use a mula card. Hindi pwede. Bawal.
Okay, napakita natin questions from Nurse Almo from GMA Online. Hello!
Hello, yun. Kasi hearing your story kanina kung paano yung audition, parang it makes me think talagang hindi mo ginamit yung mulak card. And hindi mo na inattempt na parang maging one of those na parang mas madali, di ba?
Ay, never po. No. With our family growing up, ever since we were little, we were always taught na whenever you want something in life, you have to work for it. Nothing is given. And if you're given something, it doesn't feel right. Especially when you know that you put no work to it. It's not the right time, it's not the right place to even do such a thing. And in life, you have to work hard for the things that you want. Nothing should ever be given. Nothing comes easy in life. And what people don't see behind the scenes is the work and preparation behind it. But now that we're here, of course, I'm really excited for you guys to see this production.
I'm just curious, may disadvantage ba yung pagkakaroon ng parents ng both celebrities?
Actually, alam mo po, I don't like to see it as a disadvantage. And I've always said this from the very beginning kasi sila po yung parents ko, sila po yung family ko, and I've seen them growing up as that. I've never seen them as a celebrity. If anything, I'm more inspired to be like them as people. Because they taught me the core values and the importance of working hard. And the reason who I am today is because of them. And I can't thank them enough for that. So I would never ever like to see my family as a disadvantage. And for sure my parents will not allow us to ever use a mula card. Hindi pwede. Bawal. Yes.
Okay, about Ani Batong Bakal, anong preparation mo na para ma-embody mo na yung pagiging, yung Ani Batong Bakal talaga?
Preparation, syempre naman madam, I have so many questions for it kasi it was during a time where I wasn't born. Like for example, yung mga metaphorical meanings sa songs, like tagyawat sa ilong. Akala ko, my interpretation of it was, tagyawat sa ilong, hindi yan maganda, di ba, sa first love. Pero my dad was the one who explained to me na yun pala saying, that was a saying before sa 70s na it's when you're in love, nakilig ka, may tagyawat ka. I was like, okay, so happy pala. So that's one example. And another one would be, of course, understanding the Manila sound with Hot Dog. There's that research that goes into that. And even Ani Batong Bakal, the song, if you can go through it line by line, there's a story on its own and it's beautifully written. And I think that's what makes it so great, Manila sound and Hot Dog, because until now, there's still that charm, there's still that amazing factor with their songs that make it so touching and so relatable to the Pinoys.
May mga challenges ka na ba na hinarap?
Challenges? Yes,
during this
syempre naman, there's a lot of challenges. I think it would just be the idea of combining all of the three components is going to be very challenging, but I'm ready. I'm ready to put in the work, and I'm so excited to start rehearsals. I'm very much looking forward to it, and to be with the whole cast, to see the ensemble together, super excited.
And lastly, kasi na-mention mo na parang nag-aaral ka na rin Tagalog. And from the first press ko na dati, and
Yes, po.
we see improvement naman talaga.
Ay, maraming salamat.
Ngayon, kamusta na?
Thank you po.
On your part talaga, ano na yung level or yung improvement na
Yung
nakita
level ko po sa Tagalog, actually, alam mo po, hindi ko alam anong level po ako sa Tagalog, pero if anything, I'm just super happy that the people have accepted me for me. And that, yes, I have a long way to go. I have a lot to learn. Tagalog, syempre naman. Pero, I'm just happy na people accept me and they embrace me for me. And they know that I'm willing to learn. I really want to learn. As in, gusto ko talaga. I'm trying my best. And it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And I'm just happy na, and very lucky na pinansin nyo rin na, okay, success, nag-improve.
Eh kasi natanong ko rin yun kasi parang Ani Batong Bakal, medyo
Yes.
hindi siya yung sosyalera na ano. And you have that image, alam naman natin na
Yes.
'di ba medyo saucy ka ganyan.
Yes.
So paano mo
Parang hindi saucy. Mas golly.
So paano mo ano yung ganung gap?
I think the gap, kasi binigay po nila yung script in advance na po. So I've been memorizing na and working with a comms communication teacher, Sir Jeff, shout out. Maraming salamat, Sir Jeff. So going through the script word by word, line by line, and I'm gonna be trying my best, of course. Hindi ko naman what the outcome may be, of course, pero I'm gonna try my best talaga, and we'll see.
Okay.
Yes.
Last na, may alternate ba siya or
Meron lang po kaming tinatawag na understudy, but we expect her to do the 24 shows. So, kailangan niya po kayo super healthy. Siguro more century to. Talagang power, yes. Opo, pero we hope na gagawin niya yung lahat ng 24 shows.
Dudumihan ka siya.
Madudumihan po.
Siyempre,
Dispatchadore.
Naman po siya, di pa po siya. Ano po.
so,
I mean, feeling ko naman po, hindi naman siya kailangan, hindi naman po
Hindi.
kailangan na
Ah.
madumi siya. Opo.
ay, hindi naman literal naman.
Aba, hindi naman po. Ibig sabihin, opo. Simple, mas simple, ganyan. Opo. Hindi siya ganito ka-glam. Di ba kasi ganda ngayon. Pero definitely, ano po, ipapasa ko sa creatives ang kung paano siya prepare for this.
paparito.
Congrats and good luck sa 24 shows.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Siyempre, aabangan natin ang transformation come September of